Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper. In today's video I am going to show you how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City mss32.dll file missing error, or you can also say how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City mss32.dll file not found error, or you can also say how to fix mss32.dll error for GTA Vice City. All these errors that I just mentioned are same. It is happening because you are missing a file named as mss32.dll. So let's see how to fix it just after this intro. Okay, let me show you what error I am getting. Simply click on it, and as you can see I am getting this error: the code executions cannot proceed because mss32.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So as you can see I am not getting exactly the same error that I just mentioned, but all these errors are same. You don't have to reinstall this game again. Okay, since we are missing a file, so we have to download it first. It is an obvious thing. Open any internet browser. In my case I am opening Opera. You can open any internet browser you like to. You can. Now at website URL bar simply type the file name that we are missing. In our case we are missing mss32.dll file. So simply type it. And as you can see, first result is of www.dll-files.com. Don't worry, I am going to give this website link in description box below, so you didn't have to follow the entire step that I am just doing. But if in case I forget to mention, then you can just follow this step to get the file. Okay, but I won't going to forget it. Simply open this website, don't go any other website. Now scroll down little bit and make sure you are downloading our latest version. As you can see, this is the oldest version and this is the latest version. Now at the right side right here there will be a download button. If you click on it, it won't going to do anything, as you can see. Okay, so right click on the download button and then select open in new tab. It will going to open a new tab and we have to wait 2 seconds more to get the file. So as you can see, my mss32.g file is here. Now click on download, and now you can close the browser if you want. Okay, so this is the file. In my case I already installed WinRAR in my computer, but if in case you are not having WinRAR in your computer, then make sure to use it. Okay, let me show you how to open it without an WinRAR. Now right click, go to open with and click on Windows Explorer. Okay, now drag this file outside from this folder, and here it is our file. Okay, now right click and copy it, and now go to the location where you installed your GTA Vice City, and now right click and paste it right here. Okay, now double click to open it, and as you can see my game is running. But if in case you are getting notification to install direct play, then don't worry, I already made a video on that topic also. Let me explain what are the topic that I already made video on. I made a video on how to run Grand Theft Auto Vice City on Windows 10, how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City mouse not working problem, how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City requires at least DirectX version 8.1 error, how to fix Grand Theft Auto Vice City could not find 640x480 video mode, and how to add your own music in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, and many more videos. All the video link will be in description box below. After watching those videos, I am sure about it that you won't going to have any problem to play this game. But if in case you are getting any error, then feel free to comment below. So that's all for today. I hope you find this video informative. Click on like button to show me your support. Comment below if you are having any questions regarding this video. I will try my best to help you. Share this video with your friends and family. It's totally free. And if I forget to mention something in this video, then I will add it in description box below. So always check the description. Okay. And at last, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So until then, take care. Have a nice day. And I will see you next time. Bye.